Hi everybody, today's focus is the great potato harvest. So I'm super excited about seeing how many potatoes I grew this summer. I've been growing potatoes for a couple of years and I usually yield between 40 and 60 pounds of potatoes. But this year I chose to grow my potatoes a little bit differently than usual, and I tested out grow bags. I'll put links in the description of the videos where I set up my grow bags and when I hill the potatoes in the grow bags. But right now, let's go see how many potatoes I got to grow this year. I'm super excited. I'm gonna have my son help me. He's gonna pick up the potato bags and dump them in a wheelbarrow for me so we can dig through and harvest our potatoes. So these grow bags do have a Velcro window, so you can just rip it open and dig in and grab the potatoes through that window. However, since I have my son with me, he is going to actually pick up the bags and dump out all of the soil so that we can harvest all of our potatoes that way. So that was really pathetic. That was really not what I was expecting. This is the worst potato harvest I've ever had. I weighed the potatoes. In total, I got 2 pounds, 12 ounces. That's really bad considering I usually yield about 40 to 60 pounds of potatoes. I don't know if I had such a failure because of the temperature. So in the Northeast, we've had so many extremely hot 90-degree days, which is really abnormal for where I live. It was extremely dry. We are in like a drought where I live. Although I did water the potatoes every night. This was just bad. This is a bad year for potatoes for me. Despite my failure, I will definitely plant potatoes again next year. Usually in my garden, I have really good luck with potatoes, carrots, and onions. It really seems to be something that I'm really good at growing, so I'm not really certain what happened. But I will grow more potatoes next year. I might even give the bags another try and just hope that it wasn't the bag that caused such a terrible yield, but rather just the weather. Anyway, thanks a bunch for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you had a better yield in your vegetable garden than I did this year. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.